Hi everybody, happy Tuesday. You know what that means? It is Tip Tuesday. And in today's Tip Tuesday video, no, I'm not in my makeup room. I'm actually in Sydney here for a business conference. So I thought I'd just quickly share with you and show you how I store my makeup and my makeup brushes when I'm traveling. So let's get into it. I've got Jazz on the camera and he's gonna help me. What you'll see is I've got my big makeup bag here, which has all my toiletries and bits and pieces in here. Then I actually have a few different bits and pieces. So I've got my travel pouch here. And then I've got my makeup brush cylinder. So for me, when I like traveling, I always like to bring a cylinder with me like this. First and foremost, because it's really easy, I can store all my brushes when I travel. But when I'm in the bathroom, like here, I can actually just dump all my products in here, even hair brushes. And it means I have a little mini kind of makeup station here, and I can see where everything is, and it's really accessible. This one here is the makeup brush pouch. So it is actually designed to slot in. You can put all your brushes in here if this is more your thing. But I actually like to use it just to pop some of my makeup in here, because when I travel, I actually travel quite light with my makeup, and I only take the essentials of one foundation, one type of bronzer that I can use as an eyeshadow as well. Things like that, just so then I'm not bringing too much makeup with me. So what I can do is I can actually slot them in here and zip it up. And then when I actually open it up, when everything's tucked in, I can actually see where everything is, and it makes it a lot easier for me. So that was my quick tip Tuesday, what I use when I travel with my makeup and brushes. I hope that was helpful. See you next time.